National Prayer Day tulumbe olodi Kampala chengete asatu mulu mu December olodi Kampala chengete Bishop Kiganda tudumite olodi Kampala chengete.
National Prayer Day.
Good National Prayer Day.
National Prayer Day is on 31st December.
National Prayer Day eriwo enaku z'omwezi 3 mu
Everyone who is here,
na buli muntu yenna ali
listening on radio, watching on TV, you are online. I take this opportunity to invite you on 31st December in Old Kampala SS. Come, let's end the year together and welcome the new year together. This is our mega event that God has given to us. The biggest platform to win souls. And let me tell you, we are in the last days. Jesus is about to come back. We need to prepare ourselves. We need to preach the gospel like never before. We need to win souls.